Hi, this is Firefighter Patrick and welcome to Station 380's Kitchen. Today we're making chicken wraps and I'm going to show you how to be safe in the kitchen. Always stay in the kitchen when your stove is on, but if you have to leave, make sure you turn it off before you go. Oh, whoa! Make sure you turn any handle so they don't get hit. Make sure you have a lid around just in case your burner does catch on fire. Place the lid over the fire, turn off the burner. There you go, Keith. Stay safe and happy cooking. Was that good?